Meaning of electrolytic.
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 Electrolytic. Electrolytic refers to a process in which an electric current is used to bring about a chemical change in a substance. This is usually done by immersing two electrodes into an electrolyte solution, which then allows the passage of ions from one electrode to another. As the ions move, they undergo a redox reaction and form either a new substance or separate into their elemental components. The result of an electrolytic process can vary depending on the specific substances involved, but it often involves the separation of materials for purification or the creation of new compounds for industrial processes.